Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to change your Miniclip account password for 8-ball pool, here's how to do it. First, please take note that you won't be able to change it directly from the 8-ball app. Instead, you'll need to use a web browser. So what you need to do is you open any browser on your phone or computer, search for Miniclip, go to this official Miniclip website. Once the site loads, look at the top right corner and tap the three lines to open the menu. From there, go ahead and select My Account. Now keep in mind, this only works if you're using a direct Miniclip account. If you created your account with Facebook or Google, you won't be able to change your Miniclip password this way since your login is managed by Facebook or Google. If you do have a direct Miniclip account, just log in with your email and current password. After logging in, you'll see options to change your account ID and password. Just enter your new password and save the changes. And you're done. So in short, go ahead, open the Miniclip website, log into your account, and update your password there, not in the 8-ball pool app. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.